face. So what you can't see right now is that little backsplash of pressure that built up in here. It's eating the paint off wherever it hits. So I'm gonna have some lovely little spots come tomorrow for where it probably burnt my skin. So that being said, I'm going to put on some protection. Wow, never had that fire before. Like I said, this is going to require gloves because this gets up to 240 degrees Celsius. This will burn you if you don't wear gloves. Oh, ouch. Like I said, it gets hot, and you definitely want gloves. Probably leather ones would be better than these plastic ones that just burnt right through and melted into my skin. Like these.